Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we have a What TikTok Made Me Buy video, and I'm super excited because I have loads of products like this, but these are just ones that are sort of new, ones that have gone viral, stuff like that. So before we begin, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have been loving and appreciating all the support that you guys have been giving me at the moment, all the comments, the likes, even just the views, and obviously if you subscribed, then I appreciate that so much. Thank you for following me on this journey. Anyway, if you do like this video, give it a big thumbs up. That'll let me know that you enjoy this type of video and you want to see more TikTok sort of content from me. And if you're struggling to comment anything, then just comment TikTok. It just helps with my engagement, so even if you can't think of a comment to comment, just type in TikTok. Lovely, brilliant, love that. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you what TikTok shop has made me buy, because there's been a lot of products. So one product that I have currently just put on my face is the Beauty Crop Vitamin Babe Vitamin Enriched Glow Primer. Now this was in my top 2023 products of the year. It's a broad spectrum, so it's got SPF 45, which is absolutely amazing. So it's got like UV protection, UVA and UVB protection, and it also gives such a nice glow to the skin, as you can see. And a new product, the Beauty Crop Peptide Calm Instantly Hydrating and Balancing Skin Mist, which is fragrance free. They've just recently come out with this and I did like it. I used it for my skin prep because it does say that it's good for, well, it's specifically for skin prep, so I used both of those to begin with. The Beauty Crop overall is just a brand that TikTok shop have got me into. And as well, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Crop Wishery Ripping Primer. Okay, so then a product that I have had for a while but I don't really use very much is the By Ellie Brow Shape. Now this is hit or miss with me. I try to get on with this, but what I don't like about this product is that it leaves my eyebrows looking wet. Everyone loves this product, they rave about it so much, and don't get me wrong, I do like it, but it's just a little bit too shiny for me. I'm gonna give it a go today. I'm gonna go in with my spoolie. I did wet it a little bit. I can see already that it's made my spoolie go all funny. And I'm gonna go straight in with this. See how it's stuck my eyebrows down perfectly. Like, they are not going anywhere, but they're very shiny. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna let them sit and we'll see if they dry down, but I'm just gonna go around the edge and obviously take off what I don't want. So that's the By Ellie Brow Soap, which I'll come back to you guys in a bit to see what it's looking like. Then next I'm going to go in with the HMB Soft Focus Luminous Glow Tint. Now this stuff is beautiful. I love to use this on its own. I love to use it with other products. Forgot it does that. I'm just going to spread it around the whole of my face. I've probably put a bit too much on my hand now. Does it actually come out normally? And of course I'm going to use it with the matching brush. It smells good too. Like, how beautiful does my skin look? It is such a nice product. It airbrushes my skin. TikTok shop definitely made me buy this. What's happening with their new foundation, I wonder? I want to get it. I've seen a load of people get it in PR. Load of influencers, but then we just never seen the product because it got pumped into the wrong packaging or something, which must be annoying. Now I'm taking the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. Now this stuff is literally airbrush in a bottle. I absolutely love it. This foundation airbrushes your skin so nicely, and with this glow underneath, it is going to be looking beautiful. This got heavily hyped up because it was like really good coverage and like instant coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage. It's got good coverage to it. Excuse the banging. But I definitely wouldn't say it's got like really full coverage. It just looks like skin. I think that's why it went viral, because it's so flawless. It feels like skin, and it's got, do you know why it looks like skin? But yeah, it's got good coverage because it's got heavy pigment in there. When it's got pigment, that means it's going to be lightweight. Then a product that I absolutely love, and I will not stop raving about this, the Curve Case by Made by Mitchell. I have the shade light and this one is medium. I absolutely love them. I really want to get the deep because I got this one and the light one for only £15, so yeah, can't justify paying the whole price. These are so creamy and buttery. I say it in every video, but they are a dream to blend out. Like, look how easy that blended out. I forgot to say at the start of the video as well that I've got the new Beauty Crop Peptide Calm Hydrating Lip Treatment on. This is the vanilla. I've got all the shades here. Just done a video on them and they are beautiful, and obviously I was highly influenced from TikTok Shop to get these, so I suppose that's in with my skin prep. I'm going to go in with blush as well. I'm going to go in with Peach Sugar, I think. I am loving a peachy blush at the moment. I do not have these in my makeup kit anymore. These are essential for my kit now. I absolutely love them. Highly recommend if you haven't bought one yet. Next is the Lancome Teint Idol Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. Now this was very hyped up at one point, so I got it. It was heavily influenced by Amelia Olivia, so literally everyone went out and got it. It is flawless, don't get me wrong. It's not like my all-time favourite concealer because I haven't touched it in a while, to be fair. I have been trying out a lot of new products recently. This brush highly influenced me on TikTok. The Doll Beauty, the small solid brush I think it's called. This blends out concealer so easily and you can get into places where you couldn't with a sponge. It just looks flawless after I've used it. My base is looking flawless and it's going to look even more flawless now after I've used the Huda Beauty Peach Pie shade. Specifically the shade is what TikTok Shop influenced me to buy. If you know, you know, it was influenced for a while. It was like peach versus pink under eye. Which one do you prefer? I'm sort of liking the peach at the moment, but that's only because I'm liking a peach blush at the moment, but I do love the pink under eye trend. But I do love this for colour correcting. It is beautiful under the eyes. Like, look at that. Stunning. Then I'm going to go in with the Beauty Crop Vitamin Babe Pressed Powder Bronzer. This is in the shade Barley Bronze. Such a nice powder. It doesn't make my creams underneath go patchy at all. Need to get a new brush. Any recommendations for powder bronzer? That would be great. Also, another powder that I forgot to use is the Beauty Crop Pore Filter Pore Blurring Pressed Powder. This one's really nice for like around my nose or anywhere else on my face. Just going to use a bigger puff for this and just take that on my chin where I get a little bit oily. This is so good at blurring the skin, and mainly around here. So then I'm going to take, of course, the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow 001 Pink Blush. This is absolutely stunning. You can see it is beautiful, but this is expensive, but it is stunning. I'm not gonna lie, it is a really nice blush. I just realised I was gonna use a peachy blush. Oh well. It's not like a really harsh blush either. It's very buildable. I can definitely build on it. Just gonna put a little bit of the Beauty Crop bronzer in my crease. I'm not doing anything crazy to the eyes today, but I just want a little bit of something. And then of course I couldn't do a TikTok Shop made me buy without adding the infamous Drip Drip by Made by Mitchell. This is one of a kind. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand just a little bit. I'm going to take a tiny bit at a time on my finger. This dries down so quick. Look at that. I'm hoping you can see, but it just adds such a nice sheen to the eyes. And like I said, it dries down, so you're not gonna have glitter falling everywhere. Like, it's dried down already. How amazing. Love that. I haven't got anything like for my eyebrows that TikTok made me buy, so I'm gonna go off and do those, and I'll be right back to do like mascara. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows. Even though I've gone in with a powder, they still look shiny, but I'm not mad at how they look. Apart from the shininess, I don't mind them. So the mascara that TikTok made me buy, if I can open it, is the Falsies Surreal Mascara from Maybelline. I remember absolutely loving this. I think it is drying out a little bit now, but it is a good mascara. Like, it is. And I love the brush. I've been using a lash serum for the past sort of, I want to say maybe just over a week. I think I can tell it's made my lashes different already. Okay, so that's my lashes done. I think I'm going to leave the lower lash as well today because I want the eyelids to be centre of attention, you know. So now we're going to go in with lip liner. Doll Beauty have heavily influenced me lately because of their amazing deals on TikTok Shop. But this is the She Fine lip liner, and I've got the shade Boss Lady, which is a new one to me. But you can get these in a bundle at the moment, which is such a good price. See how creamy and buttery those are? Stunning. Then I'm going to go in with matching the Doll Beauty lipstick. She's Nude lipstick in Dolled Out. I know this is quite a pink shade. They're so creamy. Gorgeous. Very nice. So I think I'm going to go off camera and sort my hair out and everything like that, and then I'll be right back to show you the final results with my hair and everything. It all looks better put together and stuff, don't it? Do you know what I mean? I'll be right back. Okay, so that is me all done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more what TikTok inspired me to buy, then do let me know in the comments down below. I will be happy to film more videos like this. I have been loving my content at the moment, and so have you guys. I really appreciate every single view, like, comment, anything. I really appreciate it, and consistency is definitely key for my channel. I'm going to be bringing you lots more makeup content here on my channel, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy this type of video and you want to see more what products TikTok made me buy. I just want to say thanks again for all the support and the love on my videos recently, and on my shorts as well. They've been amazing. Thank you so much. I hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.